Meaning of full frontal.
Full frontal.
Full frontal.
Full frontal.
Full frontal. The term full frontal usually refers to complete or total nudity, particularly when referring to a person appearing naked in a film or photograph. The phrase indicates that the subject is shown completely exposed from all angles and without any clothing covering their genitals. Full frontal nudity is often used to convey a sense of vulnerability or intimacy, or to challenge societal taboos around nudity. However, it can also be controversial and may be restricted in certain contexts, such as mainstream cinema. Overall, full frontal denotes a level of explicitness that goes beyond partial nudity or suggestive imagery.